Okay, so for today's video, I just thought that I would share with you guys some of the groceries that I'm picking up today since we just got back from vacation. So I did go to New Pioneer Co-op, which is kind of like a health food store in Iowa City, and I'm getting ready to go to HyVee here in a little bit, so I'll share that with you also. But we're out of a lot of things, obviously, since we just got back, need some produce. I'm also going to be making some lasagnas today for Lasagna Love, which is an organization that I volunteer for. I'll leave their information down below. You can also volunteer if you want to make food for people in need. So a lot of stuff is for that. But whenever I go to New Pie, I always like to get some of their like greens and sprouts because I can't find these at my local grocery store. These are bold and spicy. It looks like radish, arugula, and mustard greens. So I usually like to add those to salads. For the lasagna, I like to make mine with a combination of cottage cheese and ricotta. So I got 1 container of cottage cheese and then 2 containers of the Belgioso whole milk ricotta. And then for myself, I picked up some of this cashew milk yogurt. I actually want to try that with this Purely Elizabeth blueberry hemp granola. This brand is really good. I've had it before. I've also purchased this on Thrive Market, but the flavors in it are really good. This one does not have any added sugar. Actually, it has added coconut sugar, but it doesn't have like regular sugar in it. So I grabbed some of that. If you're ever in Eastern Iowa and you get the chance to try Oasis hummus, I would definitely recommend it. It's really delicious. So I got a container of that to have with carrots. I got some of this Siete cashew queso. There's a recipe that I want to try with that. And then also a couple recipes that you'll be seeing with this Violife, just like Parmesan cheese, and the Violife just like feta cheese. If you guys have tried these, let me know if you like them. I have tried, I believe, some of the Violife shreds before, but not these two. And I don't believe I can get these around here, so I picked them up at New Pie. I got a couple of Lara bars, peanut butter and jelly, which I really like. I've had that one before. And then almond cookie, which I haven't had that one, but those are really good to keep in my purse when I'm hungry. And then I got some mozzarella cheese for the lasagna as well, 3 blocks of that. So I'll probably use my food processor to shred this. I saw that they had this super creamer. It's hazelnut. I thought I would try this. It doesn't have any added sugar. It says it's keto, which I'm not keto, but I thought I would try it anyway because I like to try like some of the different plant-based creamers. And then I got 2 jars of tomato basil pasta sauce for the lasagna, and then 3 boxes of lasagna noodles because I'm going to be making 3 lasagnas for the family. And then my trade coffee order also came while we were gone. So I'll leave a link down below for a coupon if you haven't tried trade, but I get coffee delivered from them. I have a bunch that I need to use up, so I actually paused my orders for a while. But you can get coffee from all over different parts of the country. It's really neat, actually. And then this is whole bean, which I just got a coffee grounder, so I'm going to try it with that. But I think I have a discount code for them also. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I pay my own money for this, and I really like it. So that's everything that I got from New Pioneer. I'm going to put this away, and then I'll show you what I get at HyVee. Okay, so I'll show you guys what I got from HyVee. Mostly a bunch of produce. I haven't quite figured out what I'm going to make for meals this week, so I was just kind of trying to fill in stuff that I knew that we needed. So I did get some apples. We were all out of those. I went ahead and got the Gala ones this time. I got Granny Smith last time, and they were, I know that Granny Smith aren't supposed to be very sweet, but I felt like they were like really not sweet and not that great, so got those instead. I got some strawberries just for eating throughout the week. I like to eat strawberries with that granola and yogurt for breakfast sometimes. I got some asparagus. I think I'm going to cook this for dinner tonight, actually. I got some nectarines, 4 of these. They look really good right now. And I got some peaches actually last week that were really good, so I thought I would get those this week. I got some pears, 3 of those. And then these are called, I believe, plum cuts. Is that what they're called? Yeah, so I got 4 of these. They're obviously a cross between a plum and an apricot, and they're pretty good. I got plum cuts.
Kumquat?
No, not a kumquat, an apricot. Plum cot. Plum cot. I got 4 avocados. I tried to get like 2 that were a little bit more ripe and 2 that were less ripe. I might make some guacamole with the ones that are riper. I got 1 orange, some celery. I've been using that in my green smoothie. I got some bell peppers, the multicolored pack. The kids really like those cut up like raw for snacking. I got some tomatoes for salads. They had English cucumbers on sale, 2 for $4, which is a pretty good price for HyVee. You can obviously get them cheaper elsewhere, but since I was there, I grabbed those, 2 of them. And then I also got some tomatoes. I think I'm gonna make caprese salad maybe tomorrow. I got some iceberg lettuce just because I thought it sounded good with a salad. I got some turkey lunch meat, the Deluso smoked turkey breast. Kira really likes this with these spinach wraps. She makes that for lunch sometimes. I got some mozzarella cheese for the caprese. They had this on sale and it is the pre-sliced kind, which is pretty convenient. So I got that. I got some raspberries. Stop. I almost tripped over that and fell and broke my knee earlier, so.
This is what you tripped over?
Yeah, this boat of a shoe.
You have to say about men's big feet. You wear big shoes.
I got some raspberries. I was actually thinking about making chia pudding. So I've never made it before. You guys let me know if you've made it before and what you think. I can't imagine that it would be that good, but like I said, I've never had it, so I don't know. Maybe I'll make some and try it. I got some bananas, some cilantro for salads and for the guacamole. And then they had cherries on sale. The cherries have been really good actually, and these I believe were on sale for $2.89 a pound, which is pretty cheap for cherries, so got those. I got some Simply almond milk. That has been my favorite brand lately. And then I also got some of the hazelnut nut pods creamer for my coffee. I got some eggs. These are local-ish to us, farm fresh eggs. So I got a dozen of those. I got some of these Cracker Barrel cheese sticks for Kira. She really likes those. They had these on sale also, the Natural Choice cheese with like turkey and crackers. So I got 2 of the pepperoni, 2 of the turkey. I did get some lasagna because, or some lasagna noodles rather, because I was making some lasagnas today for a family for lasagna love, but I actually had enough. I didn't need to use these, so those will just go in the pantry. I saw these Pringles that they had that are sweet corn flavored. I think it's ridiculous, but I thought we could try them just because, you know, we live in Iowa and we grow a lot of corn here. So anyway, I thought those would be fun for us to try. And then I got some chicken. So I think I'm actually just going to make tonight for dinner some chicken strips. So I got these mostly for the kids. These are the Tyson crispy chicken strips. They're pretty good if you bake them in the oven. And then for Adam and I got these blackened chicken breast strips. If you never had these before, they're really good. They're kind of spicy. I like to have them with like ranch or on a salad. They're really good. And you can either cook them in the air fryer or in the oven. I would definitely recommend them. I like to use them a lot for lunch also. And then I did get some of this butterfly shrimp. I'm not sure when I'm gonna make this, but it was on sale and that's something that we can make quick for dinner at some point. I got some gum for the kids. They like this sugar-free juicy fruit gum, and then Adam needed some body wash, so I got him this Method Men. It's Sea and Surf. It smells really, really good. I would recommend that. So I'm gonna put this stuff away, and then I have one more sort of haul to share with you guys. Okay, so I have one more thing to show you guys as far as groceries go, and that is an order that I got from Hungry Root. This is probably the 3rd time I've tried them. I have not shared it with you guys yet because I wanted to try it out a few times and just kind of see how I liked it. But I did schedule this to be delivered today knowing that we were getting back from vacation and that I wanted to have like some healthy meals on hand for my lunches throughout the week. So let me show you what I got. This is not sponsored. I spent my own money on this. I do have a $50 off coupon if you guys want to try it out. I do think it's worth it just to kind of see if you like it. Plus you get $50 worth of free food, so it's pretty awesome. So I'll link that down below, but let me kind of explain to you the concept of it. So if I had to describe Hungry Root, I guess I would describe it as kind of a cross between both a grocery delivery service and a meal kit, because you can kind of get both. So you basically go online on your profile and you choose like what sorts of foods that you want, any dietary restrictions, etc. And then you choose kind of what meals you want. So I have it set up so that they'll send me some snacks, some breakfasts, and then they also send me meal prep stuff that I can make for 3 lunches. So here is kind of a look at everything that came in my Hungry Root box this week. So I'll kind of explain the meals to you and how those work. So they include recipes here on the back of your packing sheet. So they show you everything that you got in your box this week, and then your recipes on the back. So the first one is this pasta recipe. So basically this is gluten-free cauliflower linguine. So I'm really looking forward to trying that. And then basically you would saute this Italian chicken sausage, add their marinara sauce along with the linguine. This would be enough for 2 servings. So that would make, you know, Adam and I lunch for one day this week. So that's kind of how I've been using it. It's what I like about it is it's really customizable in terms of like, do you just want groceries? Do you want meals? Do you want dinners, breakfasts, lunches, snacks, desserts? I think it's a really cool concept, honestly. I wouldn't say that it's necessarily the cheapest delivery service or meal plan out there, but like I said, if you want to try it out, get 50 bucks off, why not, right? And then this next one is a blackened shrimp summer salad. So basically you would have a base of the arugula, and then you would saute your shrimp with the taco seasoning and then add it to the salad with this cucumber corn black bean salad, which actually I've had this before from them and it's really good. So looking forward to having that for a meal. And then the last one is just really simple. So it's this grilled chicken breast. I've had this before from them. It's really good, already pre-cooked and everything. And then this Josie's Organics sweet kale chopped salad. So basically you would make your salad, chop up your chicken, add that, boom, done. So like right here, that's what, 2, 4, 6 meals for lunches this week that I can use for Adam and I. So definitely something to consider if you're looking for a service like this. And then I also have it set up where they'll send me like some sort of like one-off things, and I kind of like getting surprised with new ingredients. So I always have it set up that they'll send me these pea snaps. My kids really like these and they snack on them all the time, so I always get those. They sent me this superfood smoothie, which I'm looking forward to trying. It is strawberry pineapple. So that looks delicious. And then also this oat milk pudding. It's mocha flavored. It's got no added sugar. It's dairy free. I opened it just to kind of look at it. Basically just looks like chocolate pudding. So that will be fun to try when I get a sweet tooth this week. And then I also got this spinach garlic chicken sausage. So this I'll probably end up using in a dinner for us this week. They also sent this little pack of coconut cashew grain-free granola, so I can use that on my yogurt. These little soft baked cookies, these are good. They come in several different flavors, and I've had the birthday cake ones are really good. These are chocolate chip, and they also sent a beef stick, which I can always use those. So I just thought I would share that briefly with you guys in case, you know, you're looking for something like this. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for another Vlogust video. I'm still trying to catch up from my week of vacation, but hopefully we'll be back in the swing of things this week. So I hope that you enjoyed watching my various grocery hauls today. Thanks as always for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.